Hello, I'm Thomas from Voiceover to Go, and today I want to show you the sound quality you can achieve inside Aura 100 soundproof booth. The test will proceed as follows. First, I will play you a sample of me speaking into the microphone in this room. Then we will set up the Aura 100 here, and I will play you a second sample recorded inside. For the recording, I have chosen the SE Electronics X1S cardioid microphone. For the best experience, please put on headphones now. You will notice the difference even without them, but with the headphones you will hear what professional sound is truly about. Let's get to it. Here is the first sample. This is how my voice sounds when I record that in a regular acoustically untreated room. This is the kind of sound many creators struggle with. The first thing you will surely notice is the echo. Listen carefully. Every word reflects off the bare walls, ceiling and the floor. This unwanted reverb mixes with the clear sound of my voice, rubbing it of its clarity and professional character. When I try to speak more forcefully and energetically, all that echo gets even more amplified. The sounds become more cluttered and overwhelmed and loses all definition. It's just a chaotic mix of noise that is impossible to work with. And now I will switch to almost a whisper. If I wanted to tell you a secret that no one else can hear, it's just a few words meant only for you. It should sound closed and intimate. And now, listen to the difference. Right now you are hearing the sound recorded inside the Aura 100 booth. The first thing you will notice is the silence. No echo, no room noise, just a clean voice on a black canvas. And that's what gives me absolute control. I can let my voice rise, add emphasis and fill the space with pure controlled energy. It's a power without chaos, a performance that remains solid and defined even at the edge of the dynamics. And just as quickly I can dive into the complete silence. Every tiny nuance and detail that will be drowned into the noise of a regular room is perfectly clear here. It's if I were whispering to the most secret story directly into your ear. It's precisely this freedom from maximum power to the quietest detail. That is the studio standard you need for your work. Dry, defined, and ready for immediate use.